500 on the first one. Parago, $25 bet. Come on. Oh, it's gonna be a hand pay. It is a hand pay. Oh, nice numbers. See one more. Nice. Oh, drop that mini. Oh, that's big. Come on. Oh, I'll take 25. Come on. Let's hit this. Fill it up. And let's see it. Yes. Yes. All right. 76,362. Come on. Oh, 375, 500, and the mini went by. Come on. Oh, come on, we got a chance. That's done. That's okay. Great bonus. Oh, that's a nice one. Excellent. Hit it. Oh, there it is. 2275. Right. Alright. I started with 300. Come on. No, we don't want that. Take a mini. There it was. Bring it back. Okay. Oh, that was good. Good. Oh, boy. See the ball. Drop it. Last chance. Oh, 480, 750. Very nice. Try to back a spin here. You never know. Yep. Very nice. All right, come on. There we go. There we go, like that. One more of those, please. Oh, come on, do it. 58,676. Come on, let me show the ball. Peter. Alright. $7.75, nice. 12.50 bet, it's great. Very nice. There we go, good start. Where's that chip? Yes, there it is. 150. Nice. Come on, drop some. Oh, come on. Really? Come on, one more chip. Nice. Oh, 5 out of 9. Beautiful. We need the chip. Wow. Wow, big finish. Oh, nice. That's a big finish. Good. Fill up the left. Yes. So if it stops right here, I'll be okay with it. Nice, 1089. Come on, 10,000. Let's do it. Okay, good. Come on, one more, please. Oh, that was a nice one. One more, please. There we go. Come on, get in there. Oh. One more, come on. Yes. Oh, bring that mini back around. Oh, good. 1,000. Come on, drop another one. Oh, we don't want that. Really? Come on, one more ball. There we go. Come on, you can do one more. Be there. Yes. I would like a 250 now. Come on, one more ball. Uh-oh. Last chance. Yes. Yes. Okay. I'll take 50. Come on. Last chance. Something. 50. Yes. 50,071. Come on. Nope. Take it. Nice. Nice. $2,000 on the nose. Beautiful. Let's hit the button. Beautiful. Play the music.